Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your eToro application. To sign in or log into eToro using your mobile device, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the eToro application and launch it open. In the first interface of eToro application, you can go ahead and sign into your account using your username or email followed by your password in the topmost section. If you have previously signed up using Apple, Facebook, or Google, you can also go ahead and choose the same sign-in method from the bottom menu of the screen. Here I'm just gonna type in my username and password. Go to the top of the screen and type in your email or username. Now, go to the password field and type down your password associated with your eToro account. Once you type down your password and your username or email, tap on the sign in button. If you don't remember your password, click on the forgot password link and follow through the instructions, and you will be able to reset your forgotten password as well. After entering your correct credentials, tap on sign in and you will be able to log in to your eToro account. So that is how you easily sign in or log into eToro app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.